Hello YouTube, this is Cheska from STEM APKs. Welcome to another tutorial. This is the continuation of the last tutorial where I show you how to turn an old TV into a media center and a computer for less than $250. I'm going to show you how that is possible and how I did it. The way you need one of these are awesome because it combines the mouse and it also gives you the keyboard. That way you don't have to be carrying any wires, or you don't have to deal with a mouse. It's all integrated into one, and you know, relatively inexpensive also. I love this thing. You know, you can really use it. It's really nice. The next one is the Chromecast. For $35, this thing, I really like this thing. I mean, you can run applications, you can run, you can cast from YouTube, from any Android device into your TV, and this is really nice. And the list of things that you can cast to your TV keeps growing, so I would really definitely recommend. This is optional to you. You don't have to get it, but I have it as part of my setup. You need two of these SD cards. I seriously recommend that you get the instead of the let me show you here, instead of the 8 gigabytes, I would definitely recommend at least 16 gigabytes. I have 32 gigabytes. I mean, on both of them, because I download a lot of heavy-duty programs. Therefore, I cannot be running out of memory. But you can. I just said 8. I mean, it's up to you. But I would definitely do at least 16, or even better, 32. But that is your choice. You need two of them because each Raspberry needs one of them. That becomes the hard drive of your Raspberry Pi. Okay, and you need two of these. You don't have to, but in order to have this set up the way I have it, I'm trying to prevent having wires laying around. So, and for the price, I mean, $9. These things are awesome. They work pretty good. And you need to install one to each one of the Raspberry Pis. And the next one, you need two of these. Be careful with this one. This is very important. I would go with this one. This is the one that is recommended by the raspberrypi.org. Most of the times this is the one that comes up. Is 1500 milliamperes, which is you can go even a little bit higher than that, but this is pretty good. I mean, you want to give it at least the power that they say that you need. I've seen websites that say 1,000, 1,500. I think it does the job pretty good. So, and it's very inexpensive. So get a good one, because you don't want to be, it's already low power, you don't want to make it even more low power. Okay, and of course you need two of these, two Raspberry Pis. You can get them for $35, $30, $40. I mean, this one is $39, but they're usually about $35 each. So you need two of them because you're gonna use one for the media center and one becomes your computer. Okay, and you need these HDMI cables. You need two of them. Make sure they're male to male, because one of them is gonna go inside your TV and the other one is gonna go into the Raspberry Pi. Another thing, make sure that before you order all of this stuff, make sure your TV has at least 3 HDMI females, because if not, then you cannot you can use adapters. You will need to get adapters, but my TV has 3 of them. So some TVs have 1. I have an older TV that's only got 1. Some of them use USBs, and you could do an HDMI to USB adapter. All of that stuff is out there. You just gotta customize it to your particular situation. Okay, and you don't really need these, but I really recommend it because you don't wanna be unplugging stuff from your Raspberry Pi. You just plug one of these, and all you need to do is unplug from here. That way, the less you touch the Raspberry Pi and the less contact you have with the Raspberry Pi, I think the longer it will last. I know it's only $35, but you don't wanna be burning it up either, you know. So because through static electricity you can wipe the whole data, so you don't want to do that. So get 2 of these. These are not that expensive, $7, and they're worth every penny. This is the same one that I have, and this is awesome. This is the most important thing is besides the Raspberry Pi and the HDMI cables, is this thing right here. It's the KVM Switch, and this is the one that I have because you see this little button right here. Where is it? They don't have it individually. Okay, this button right here, you can switch from one computer to the next. So you can go from one Raspberry Pi into the media center. These hook up into your hubs, the Raspberry Pi hubs, and this one, the good thing, I don't need it with this, but I have USB cable. But some older you know, your situation might be different, so you might need these. What I like about the KVM Switch, it comes with both. So in case you needed to adapt it to something else, it's already there. You can put the USB here from the Raspberry Pi, and it's all ready to go. And like I promised, it was under $250. It's actually $238 plus shipping, and that some of these things you can do without. I mean, like, you don't need the Chromecast, or you don't really need the hubs, but I think it will make your life a lot simpler. Less cables and less handling of the Raspberry Pi. But if you have any questions, I'm going to include my email, and I'm gonna make a list of these things here, and include them in the description of the video. But like always, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Thank you.